Last video, all the things finally arrived in the mail. Now we already ran into some problems. The first problem that we have is this. I have Molex connector for the fans in the new case to a normal 3-pin connector for the fans that connects to a motherboard. The problem is I bought this extension right here. It does not fit. I know this is a problem on my end. I should have seen if the connection would actually connect to my extender, but this might be a bit of a problem right now. I took apart the old computer. This is our graphics card. This is a 1060 EVGA 6 gigs, I believe. I'm not sure if it's a 6 gig, but either way, it's still a very nice card and it works perfectly fine. I finally finished taking away everything from the old case, and this is our motherboard with everything connected to it. It's our 500 gigs SSD right here, cooler, 16 gigs of RAM. Right now costs way too much. Let's transfer all this to our new case. I finally finished prepping the case to take the motherboard and all of the components. I just did a bit of cable management on the back, so it all turns out a bit better for me in the future. Now let's put all the components inside the case. Now that our motherboard is inside, as you guys can see, this is the cooler. Motherboard's done. The only thing I don't like is that the fan at the back is not at the same height as our cooler. So let's fix that. And then the last thing to do is just to connect the GPU and power supply. Everything's finally connected. The only thing that's missing right now is our GPU, and I'll do some final round of cable management and everything will be ready, and we'll see if it turns on. Everything is finally done. It took a bit longer than expected. I also had some other things to do, but basically it is done. So now, moment of truth, right? Let's see if it turns on. I didn't turn the switch as always. Again. And we have power. I know it's static RGB. It's not the best, but I mean, for basically 150 bucks as a gaming computer that I'll be turning into a server, it's pretty nice.